colors on your Razer mouse, Razer Deathadder version 2. Now, changing colors is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to get yourself the Razer Synapse application in order to modify our Razer products. From there, just open it up and it will simply look something like this. You then want to navigate through your Razer Deathadder version 2 mouse, and then the window will prompt you to this screen. From here, you can simply edit out your buttons, the performance of your mouse, but we are here for the third one, which is going to be the lighting option. Now, inside this page, if you scroll down, you have the ability to adjust your mouse brightness with this slider. And then if you want to change colors, you can just click on this color one option. A color menu will show up right here. There's going to be something like red, blue, green, yellow, or something similar. Press that color and you should be good to go. And also, if you want to apply some effects, just click on this drop down menu, and then a lot of effects will then show up. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.